Prepare me for public transport by Transport for Ireland in collaboration with As I Am, Ireland's national autism charity. How to top up using LeapCard app. In our previous video, we explained how the LeapCard is a useful way to pay for public transport in Ireland. The LeapCard is prepaid. This means you need to add money to the card before using it. You can add money or top up your LeapCard in several ways, but the Leap Top Up app is the fastest. How to download the Leap Top Up app. Step 1. On the home screen of your phone, you should find Play Store. Play Store is where you can find all the newest phone apps. Step 2. Type Leap Top Up into the Play Store search bar to find the app. Step 3. Once you find the app, click Install and wait for it to download. Step 4. When the app is installed, click Open to enter the app. How to use the Leap Top Up app. Step 1. When you open the app, you'll be asked to hold your Leap card against the phone. You will then see how much money or credit your Leap card has. If nothing happens, check your phone's settings and make sure NFC is on. Step 2. To top up your Leap card, press the Add Credit button. You will be asked to enter your card details to pay for it. Wait for the app to process the payment. Step 3. When payment is finished, hold your card to the phone again to check your balance. You will now be ready to use your Leap card to travel.